Hello and what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your name on Instagram twice or more than one within 14 days. So basically back then when you used to change the name of your Instagram, so you would have to wait for 14 days. So recently if I go to Play Store and go to Instagram, in the new update in Instagram, they have rolled out a new update where you can change your name twice within 14 days. So you need to make sure that you are running the latest version of Instagram. So if you're running the latest version of Instagram, then you log into your account, then basically you can just rename your account twice within 14 days. So let me go to my Instagram. So if I go to my Instagram and it loads up, and then if I go to my profile, and after my profile I click on edit profile, right? So if I click on edit profile and wait for a bit, and yeah, here is my profile, right? So now if I click here on my name, as you can see right beneath where I'm supposed to enter my name, there's an option that says you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So you need to make sure first that you're running the latest version of Instagram. If you're running the latest version of Instagram, you would see this pop up. If you're running on the previous versions of Instagram, then you would see that you can change your name after 14 days. So this is the latest update they have rolled out with Instagram. So yeah, that's how you can change your name in Instagram twice within 14 days. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any question regarding this, feel free to drop it down in the comments section. I would love to answer them, and subscribe for more content just like this one. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.